Hey guys, I'm back with another makeup tutorial. So today I am using all of my goodies that I got from the L'Oreal Paris event. So it is all of their gel liners, their foundation, their powder, their lipsticks, their glosses, everything. So the liners, so good. They just go on so easily. Very, very soft pencil. It just glides on. I love those pencils. Now, the coverage of this foundation, if it's not obvious by my face as I'm doing my makeup, the coverage is insane. It is absolutely amazing. Like the powder, it's like poreless. I don't even know how it works. It's absolutely magic. Like, I can't even explain it. It's just that amazing. And the smell is absolutely gorgeous as well. Like everything is amazing. I absolutely love the mascara as well. It's really good to really clump up the lashes so you can really, really see them. And it's amazing. Like what?